So we return to this. First in our series of neutral. I'm doing a thing. I want to test how these different Colourpop neutral palettes all work. Like, they're all supposed to, like, there has to be something special about these that they've made 5 billion in the past year or so. At some point, I'm gonna sit down and swatch all of my Colourpop neutral palettes, but for today, we are just doing a tester with Bare Necessities. Okay, so let's start the swatches. Idle Hour in the buff. Silk Teddy. Ooh, that one's buttery. Ooh. On Holiday. I can't read sideways, sorry. Rumored. Banter. It's another buttery one. Full expose. Oh, full expose. This one's a shimmer, matte with shimmers in it. Tease Me. The Talk. Yeah, Hustler. Don't love that. Ooh, Complicated. Ooh, I like that though. Ooh, Crack On. Hot Gossip. Oh, I'm having terrible eczema and dry skin right now. I think we are not at the halfway point. Oh no, we're gonna run out of arm space. All For You. Designer Duds. Oof. Spree. Act of Fool. It still smells like paint, man. Oh. Cufflinks. Hot. What? Fuzzy. I'll give it credit. Its browns feel nice and soft. Tabloid. Genie. Ooh. Taboo. Dutch Process. Velveteen, which it actually kind of looks like the same shade of Velveteen from the NYX Lip Lingerie. prefix. I like the color though. Stiletto. Oh. Cool. This is Revel. Baubles. And the last one, a black that actually looks black, Spyglass. Cool. Okay, this first half is gonna be something special. The shimmers are gonna be nice to work with, but this and this and this are something fierce, and this, and I don't think that's gonna be flattering on me, are gonna be, you know, something. But we're just gonna dry rub these off so that I don't rub them onto my shirt. Let's get started. Let's do a look. I'm gonna do your makeup later.
Sure.
This isn't a shore, I'm doing it, so.
Okay. Beat me.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Go, you know, dunk your thumb.
really went for it, and the sky was the limit. To quote the Zero Company website, today the top 3 gaming consoles in the world have little market presence among the
like, how am I supposed to blend this, huh? There's like no mid-tones for me. They either all are my skin tone, way too light, or like deeper than my skin tone. Like, I just need like an inch, a strip in the middle, I guess. I guess this is good for, you know, for good old girls. Also, I used 2 different shimmers on my eyes, and I don't even think you can tell. Like, you've got 32, the 32 pan palette. You got 32 of these fuckers, and you can't tell them apart on the eye. Is a little like, guys. All right, I'm gonna do my base and then finish with my final thoughts. Okay, so where did I put the palette? Did I yeet it? Megan, where did you put the palette? Megan. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay, so here it is in all of its, you know, type makeup into Amazon glory. We're gonna use crack on, I think. No. We're gonna use taboo. Good Lord. Wow. Well, this is part 1. So I guess we'll see. Like, that's the biggest one. What else is there? I have opinions about the other ones that are smaller that I feel are doing more and better work. So what's tea, babes? What's tea? I guess we'll find out later on. See you next time on this grand series. Bye, guys.